Dana Johnson, and I'd like to share with you what to cook with bacon grease. Let's get started. So, to get started, all I've done is I've taken my skillet, placed it on the cooktop, heating it up. Very important to get it heated up so right when that bacon hits, you can start the cooking process. See, it's got some good sizzle. Ah, you can hear it. So I think that possibilities are endless of what you can actually cook with bacon grease. But today I want to show you how to make some bacon French fries and an egg. Okay, so I've removed the bacon from the pan, and you can see, here's what I'm left with, is the bacon grease. If you're wondering what you can cook with it, well, dang near anything that you can fry, you can actually cook with it. You can do maybe a boneless, skinless breast of chicken. You can do what I'm going to do, take some French fries. And you're just going to put it into the hot grease. Make sure that it's hot enough so that the bacon grease doesn't soak into the fries, because then they wouldn't become very crisp anyway. So while those French fries are cooking there inside the bacon fat, I'm going to add an egg also. I'm going to coat these fries real well with this bacon grease. And that egg is cooking nicely, and you can see it's not sticking. So, not just the French fries with this bacon grease and the egg, and of course the bacon, you can actually fry chicken, maybe even use a can of refried beans just to flavor it up a bit, but there's several things that you can make with bacon grease. So for more recipes, please go to danasfamilykitchen.com.